Hi everyone, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms, and today we're going to be making my granny's cocoa cream pie. It's a really great simple pie recipe that is from the 1930s and 40s. It was my great granny's, and it's just basically a chocolate pudding pie. Hello everyone, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms. We're a family of 9, living a slow and sustainable lifestyle. We believe in the art of cozy living and the beauty of everyday life. Come join us as we find adventures in simple living. All right, so it's starting to thicken. You see as it gets thick like this, kind of like jelly, you don't want to keep it on the burner very long because it will start getting a lot of times, see that right there? And now what I do is I take it off and I just stir until, making sure that it's really smooth. Add vanilla in after you take the pan off the heat. All right, so I'm gonna let that cool, and I just heard the baby, so I'm gonna go get baby up. We make a new video every week on adventures in simple, cozy living, and food from scratch. Thanks so much for stopping by the homestead. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button.